Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing the amazing Goku from the Dragon Ball Z series. I've been wanting to draw this character for a while, but I've had a few requests recently, so I thought that I'd get my ass into gear and give this one a go. I had a lot of fun drawing this. I found a few images online and sort of made a hybrid version of a couple of the images that I liked. I went with a reddy pink coloured hair. You don't find many images of this Goku character with this coloured hair. It's mainly a dark black or a brown, so I thought this would look quite good. As I was going through my Copic markers, which is what I use to do the majority of this, I didn't actually feel as though I had the exact orange that I wanted for the majority of Goku's outfit. So as you can see now, I'm using a Winsor & Newton alcohol based marker, and this was an amber colour. I just felt that it was the right tone for the highlighted areas in this guy's top. The rest of the drawing I did use Copic markers for this, and I actually used a black pencil as well. I'm really enjoying doing this type of manga style gaming characters. If you've got any requests that you'd like me to do, then don't forget to leave them down below in the comments. You can also get hold of me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links to all of my social media platforms are down below in the description also. I'm currently trying to do a drawing a day, so it's fantastic to get some new ideas from you guys. I know I've been missing a few off. I've had that many requests either on Facebook, Instagram or in the comment sections on my YouTube channel that I do sometimes forget where I am. So I apologise if I've missed any of you guys' requests out. Just hit me up again on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or even in the comments below, and I'll endeavour to get them done for you. This drawing took me about 3.5 hours in total. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm getting so much better at this sort of anime type looking character now. I'm starting to understand the proportions better and how the facial structures work. I'm also going to be doing some live videos shortly, so I'd love to have your feedback on whether that's something you would like to do. So my idea or my plan is I'm going to have a reference image that you guys can download on my website for free, and then what we'll do is we'll sit down and we'll try and draw it together, and I'll just talk you through the processes that I use to try and find proportions and where things lie and best methods that I'm using with all the techniques and whatnot that I've picked up recently. So if that's something that you're interested in, let me know down in the comments below or on the social media platforms, and I'd love to get your feedback. Time zones and things like that. Obviously I'm based in the UK, so maybe going live sometimes wouldn't be necessarily the right thing for a lot of you guys, but I do believe that live recordings can be played back whenever. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's it's really taking off at the moment. I'm seeing a lot of growth, and a lot of that's down to you guys, making sure that you're engaging with my channel and sharing. So thank you so much for all of that. I really appreciate all the help. But we're nearing the end of this drawing now. I did add a comic panel to it, and the comic panel is just something that allows you to bring out the background. I used my Uniball Signo Broad white pigment pen to bring out some highlights as well. And that's the final drawing, so thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.